Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the watch's water resistance rating and prior service, because that determines how deep you can test later. Once done, remove the strap and use a case opener or wrench to unthread the back while resting the watch on a soft mat. Make sure to wear nitrile gloves to avoid oils and inspect the gasket immediately. A compressed or dry gasket is frequently the root cause of leaks. Keep screws organized so reassembly matches original placement. Now focus on the seal system. Remove the old gasket and examine both the gasket channel and the mating surfaces for dirt or corrosion, because even tiny particles break seals. Clean with a lint-free swab and isopropyl alcohol, then select a replacement gasket matching diameter and cross-section per spec. Once fitted, apply a thin layer of silicone grease to help compression and longevity. Make sure the gasket sits evenly in its groove before closing. Uneven seating creates a predictable leak path. To complete the job, perform a dry pressure test or vacuum test first to detect immediate leaks. This isolates issues without risking moisture. Once confident, do a wet test at low pressure or immersion following the watch's rating to confirm integrity. If you see bubbles or fogging, stop and reopen to recheck gasket seating, crown tube thread engagement, and crystal clamp torque, because misalignment or improper torque is often the culprit. Finally, torque the case back to specification, document parts replaced, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.